pitch stand. It's a brand new aircraft seat manufacturer with a brand new product. Thank you so much for talking to us.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Tell us all about Pitch.
Well, Pitch is a UK-based company, and it's a sales and support company for a new wave of seats, ultra-lightweight seats, and this is our first product, the Pier 2000. Our partners are Magna International, who are one of the largest auto parts suppliers in the world, multi-billion-dollar company. The seat's been designed by Design Q, and the seats are going through a testing system using the professional people at Tenenzia company. So we've got all the partners together. This is our first seat, and we're doing really well.
This is your first one. Now, some of the distinguishing features of this seat include that it can have a pretty tight pitch, right?
It can have the tightest pitch at 28-inch pitch, which is really the industry minimum.
Yeah.
It gives you a 29.5-inch pitch feel.
Yeah.
We've been told by various airlines and feedback. So in this case here today, we've got a 28-inch pitch. We're happy to demonstrate that because you get extra knee room because your body is sitting further back in the seat with an innovative backside design. And this is the 30-inch pitch seat here, which is around about 31, 32-inch feel.
Okay, now 28 inches, that's pretty tight, and we'll show this later on the video, but you've managed to carve out some space here for me.
That's right, yeah.
I'm very curious about this, because as a woman, that means I've got to spread my legs a little bit like this. So what do you suggest to that if I'm in the 28 inches?
Well, again...
Wear pants?
Yeah, I wouldn't be so sexist to say that. But no, it's a case of, everything is modelled on the average person plus. And I think at the end of the day, there will be those extreme circumstances where people say, oh, look, it's a bit tight for me. But sort of 98% of certain average people sitting back here, they will have enough room. Granted, from a lady's point of view, this bit may not feel initially comfortable, especially if their legs can't go past there. But we've had plenty of ladies in, and they decided to do it. It's more sit to one side of it, just a touch. But it's not often that ladies have an issue where they're actually banged up tight. It's uncomfortable.
Okay, so testing. You are doing your 16G.
The 16G test, as we've got in the video, there has been complete. It was done and it passed on the second time, which is really, really good. The 14G, up and down test, that's been done and has passed. We've got the HIG test starting in, I think it's in May. But we've actually used a lot of finite model analysis and computer-aided analysis, and that was advice given by the major manufacturers saying, do all that on the computer now, and you'll find you save this up a lot of time. It's been very predictable, so we're doing the same HIG test, and we should be okay.
And then what about flammability?
Flammability is all fine. It's
all been sorted. Okay, so then when do you expect to start flight testing and certification?
Well, we have a couple of seats on some airlines in different places which we can't say around. Because we're also doing the IFE, the Thompson Aerospace IFE. But the certification should be finished in September. The actual legal, here's your document. That's what we count as finished. Production will start in December.
Holy mackerel. And I saw on your release that you're able to deliver these very, very quickly.
Yeah, we've got a target of 20 weeks, but we're being conservative. Remember, this is Magna. The car business is far and away superior to aviation in mass production and compared to the quality. We will get this seat down to 12 weeks. 12 weeks delivery. And change orders, take an example for Magna who do autocar building of parts, they can take change orders right at the very last minute with a multitude of changes, hence why we have a very diverse set of graphics to show what the seat can have. It's very modular, and so airlines can react very quickly to sudden changes in the market. Oil price going up, 12 weeks you get set these ultra lightweight seats.
Okay, a couple questions. One of the unique features is this almost like a bucket seat here.
It's a sporty feel.
Sporty feel. And this is interesting. That I haven't seen this before, where you've taken out the fabric here.
The fabric's got a very, very thin spot, very thin. But because your posterior or butt doesn't sit right in there, we've taken it away. That's very traditional sports car. To remove this, you've got this very comforting feel. It's still supported at the top of your shoulders, but it's sculptured with a sort of an optimum recline built in. But what you have in the seat is that you don't have this seat coming into you, because they cannot recline into you.
It's totally a fixed recline.
Yeah, and our research is with airlines, and they say out of the two problems, what's the worst? Not having a recline or having somebody reverse into your space. And that was always the top. So if you can stop this happening by not having a recline, that makes a much better and happier passenger experience.
So you're focused on short haul, narrow body retrofit market right now.
Exactly.